Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making an unboxing for a package that just came in the mail today. Here we go. What did he cut it? So we got the Golden State Warriors on the side, the city jersey hook, the city in script in blue, the logo in blue and yellow, yellow brim, yellow crown, yellow button. Mitchell and Ness in blue, yellow snaps, blue under with the sticker, black sweat. Mitchell and Ness, Hardwood Classics. It's ironic that I'm actually wearing the Steph Curry, the City jersey to match with this. So let's combo it up. Fits nicely. Wow. So you got this, you got the jersey. Let's turn around. You got this side. You got this side. You got the front side. Alright, that has been my quick unboxing for Golden State Warriors, the City, Mitchell and Ness snapback. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.